Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of our $100 challenge. Okay, so what we are doing here is that we are actually trying to make our first $100 within 7 days. Okay, that's what I'm trying to help you with. So we are on day 2, and today what we'll be doing is that we'll be finalize a product that we'll be promoting for the next 7 days. Okay, so today's task is picking your perfect product. Now, how do you know if a product is good enough to promote or not? Okay, that is the main thing that comes to your mind, that if I'm choosing something, is it good? Actually, is it a good product to promote with affiliate marketing? So there are a couple of criterias that you can use, and this is what we'll be discussing today. Okay, so there are a lot of ways to choose affiliate product. Okay, so if you're basically suppose you're choosing something, some product, the first and foremost thing that you should know is that will you be using this product yourself? Like, for example, if I promote something, I only promote products that I myself use because I trust those products. I have had my experiences with those products and I know the quality of those products, right? Okay, so try promoting the products that you yourself have used, because it's a relationship game that we are doing. Okay, someone is going to see you as an authority. So if you promote a product that is not good enough, it's going to hurt your brand in a long term. Okay, so do not go after a product that you yourself don't think that is a good product. Okay, so just look around you. Okay, for example, if you suppose if you have chosen cooking as your niche, so look at the products that you're using, look at the electronic items that you're using, look at the ingredients that you're using, look at the vendors that you use. Okay, so there are a lot of ways to do it. Okay, for me it is more of online products. Okay, so what I do, I promote more of softwares and info products that I have used for myself in my journey. Okay, so what I look for in a product is, the first thing that I look for is a monthly recurring affiliate products. Okay, so this is basically what actually creates a true passive income for you. How does it create a true passive income? Because you have to get your sale only once, and you are just going to reap the benefits every month of that one sale that you do. Correct? For example, if I got a software, if I am promoting a software and someone enrolled it with my with my recommendation, so I'll get a small portion as as commission every month. Okay, so what happens is, I just have to maybe I can just figure out a number that I want, that if I want to make 100,000 per month, or sorry, 100,000 or 10,000 per month, what I can do is I can have a number in my mind that, okay, for making 10,000 per month, I'll have to have, say, 100 customers. Okay, like that. So you can basically, it's very easy to figure out the numbers for your business. Okay, so you can look for a product that gives you monthly recurring commissions. Okay, that is one good thing that you can look in a product if you're promoting. Okay, now I'll also share the recommendations of, I have a list of 26 to 30, I guess, products that I myself use or I promote. So basically I'll just share the link and you can just have a look, and you can just pick, if you're also in the online niche, you can just pick any of those products. Okay, then there is this thing called the lower price products. Okay, so what is it? It means that there are there is a high volume game that is going on here. So how does the high volume game begin? So basically, for example, if you are promoting a product from Amazon, say you are promoting a low ticket book. Okay, so what will happen here is that the volume has to be good enough. Okay, for example, if you are getting just $1, $2, or $3, or $4 per product, so what you to make 10,000 per month, you'll have to sell a big number. Okay, so it's a volume game, but it happens. Okay, it is not necessary that it doesn't happen. It happens if you are promoting an Amazon product which is good enough, and it is like, it is something that you keep on buying, or maybe there is a high demand, so you can easily actually make it. Okay, but it's actually a little stressful, because you know that you'll have to get a very big volume to make a considerable income, right? So what I do is, my personal favorite is high ticket products. Okay, so high ticket affiliate products are those products though which actually give you a handsome commission with just one transaction. Okay, so these products also have like a good thing that is called a value ladder. For most of the high ticket affiliate products, there is a thing called a value ladder. So what happens here is that someone is actually able to check it out. For example, I just show it to you. 1 minute. Okay, so what happens here is that, do you see here? that there is something called as bait. Okay, so it can be some free material that maybe the vendor is providing just to, you know, show the readers, the people who are enrolling, the quality of the product. Okay, what the kind of quality a person delivers. Okay, and then there is gradual, you know, upsells that goes on. Okay, so then after the seven, there can be a $7 product after the free stuff. Okay, then there can be a $97 product after the free, after the $7 product, and then there could be a $2,500 product, which is, you know, for people who are just basically getting benefited out of the lower priced products. Okay, for example, if I buy a $7 book and I'm able to make $100 back, what next? My natural instinct would be to go for the same mentor and learn one step further, so that, you know, I can get more benefits. So that's how I climb the value ladder, right? I start making more, I then invest in myself, then I start making more, then I again invest myself, and after that there could be a $10,000 product also, right? Which is like more of one-on-one mentoring sort of a thing. Okay, so this is what basically happens in a value ladder, that there are a series of products that a particular vendor has. It's not just one product that he is promoting, there are a series of products, and this is basically a very good model, because suppose if you are actually promoting a free product. Okay, so this means that the vendor has so much confidence in the value he is delivering, that he is actually ready to give it for free, so that he'll know that once he experiences the kind of value I provide, he'll definitely go for $7. Once he sees the value I provide in $7, he's definitely go for $97 product. Okay, so this seems like a valid you know, opportunity. So I personally prefer these type of plans, where actually the customer has a chance to experience the product at a low cost, and then if he is actually, you know, happy with the quality, he can definitely enroll in a high ticket plan. Okay, so this is how basically it works. Then what I want to do for you is that I want to show to you like the products that I have taken, like in my affiliate journey. I have also invested in products, right? So all the products that I have taken and are high ticket, and can offer high ticket commissions. So what I'll do is I'll share all the links. Okay, whichever products I personally think are good. Okay, I'll share the links, and it is there in my ebook. Okay, on page number 6. Okay, so all these products that I'll be showing you can give you up to $1,200 per transaction. So for example, if you want to make just $10,000 per month, all you have to do is get 9 to 10 sales, right? Okay, so this is how simple it becomes if you are promoting a high ticket affiliate product. Okay, so make sure that you check in the description. I'll be writing it as a $100 book. It is actually the exact same thing, that how to make your first $100 in next 7 days. It's just the ebook version. Okay, so there I go into more depth, like, you know, how you can actually do these steps. Okay, so basically you can go there and check out all the products that I am promoting on page number 6. Okay, if you want to choose the same products, good enough. Otherwise, just choose something that you think is a good product and meets all these one of these criteria, or maybe more than one of these criteria. So once you're done with that, move to day 3. Okay, then I'll be telling you in day 3 what to do next. Okay, also if you want to connect with me, if you're like, you know, having some problems in implementing these concepts and you want to connect with me, there is a link in the description for connecting with me also. Okay, so you can just ping me and you can let me know if you have any doubts. Thank you, and I'll see you on day 3.